This is The Aura. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today.
2 of 7 people who were shot and injured in Westmoreland Sunday night have died. The deceased are 32-year-old Marshall Gale, also known as Cheese Chip, and Sharice Murray. The other 5 people were taken to hospital for treatment. The incident reportedly took place during an illegal event in Springfield around 8:45 p.m. It is not clear if the event was a party or a bike show. The health minister's announcement in cabinet last week to bar unvaccinated Jamaicans from attending several upcoming public events has been met with more backlash. A number of influential Jamaicans from different sectors who say they are not against vaccination have now come forward stating that the vaccine mandate is counterproductive and that the government's plan to discriminate against unvaccinated Jamaicans may have grave consequences. The appeal by Jamaican Olympian Jasmine Finlayter-Victorian to have the Jamaican 2-woman bobsleigh team admitted to the Winter Games has been rejected by the Court of Arbitration for Sport. Finlayter-Victorian had appealed to CAS for Jamaica's admission based on the way the International Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation allocated spots for the Olympics. She claims that this is an inaccurate points tally. She also asked CAS to grant the final 2-women quota spot to Jamaica instead of the French, and ordered ISBF and IOC to add a quota spot to be allocated to the French to permit greater inclusion of female athletes in the Beijing Winter Games. Reggae bassist Robbie Shakespeare of the famous duo Sly and Robbie was laid to rest today. Several artists paid tribute to the legendary producer, including saxophonist Dean Fraser. Shakespeare died on Wednesday, December 8, 2021, at the Miami Hospital in Florida.
This has been The Aura. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.